Good morning, students. Today we will study the next chapter of your EVS book, Basva's Farm. In this chapter, we will study about Basva, who is a farmer and he grows onion in his farm. I am Basva. My father is a farmer. We live in Bevanka village in Karnataka. It is the month of July. Like every year, Appa, my father, is preparing the field to sow the onion crops. There are so many things to be done at this time. To help him, I too go to the fields with Appa. In the last few days, Appa has been using the khunti. Khunti is an iron rod to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. This year also, my father will sow onion seeds in the field. The bullock will pull the curd and Appa will walk behind them. You can see in this picture, Appa is using the curd and it is used to sprinkle the seed. I will also help Appa, but Appa says that it is necessary to sprinkle the seed at a distance. Like this you can see in the picture. These are the onion seeds. So onion seeds have to be sprinkled at a distance. It is now 20 days since the seeds were sown. The onion plants have started to sprout. Along with onion plants, weeds have also come up. Weeds grow in the field and garden, and they take up all the minerals of the soil. Now you can see these are the sprouts of the onion seeds. And these are the weeds. So weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along the crop. It is important to remove the weeds, otherwise they will take up the water and the nutrient from the soil which we give to our crop. Students, you have learned the steps by Basva's father till now. One is plowing. Plowing means digging the field to make the soil loose. Second, sowing the seeds. Seeds were sown at a proper distance. Irrigation. It means providing water to the growing plants and removing weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that are necessary to remove from the fields. So these were the steps taken by Basva's father. In this picture you can see Basva is very happy to see the plants growing. They are tall enough to reach his knees. The leaves have started turning yellow and drying up. So it means the onion is ready to be taken out. Now see, these are the onions. They have grown up and fully matured into a vegetable. Everyone at home will have to work to take the onions out. It is important that this should be done at the right time. If we are late, the onion will not rot the ground itself and all our hard work will be wasted. तो अनियन को वहां से निकालना बहुत जरूरी है, otherwise they will be rotted in the ground itself. So you can see in this picture they are taking out onion. Now you can see they are packing their onions. And everyone is very happy because this time the onions are big and healthy. Amma and auntie use the elish to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onions. The elish is sharp and you have to be careful not to cut your fingers. So Appa and uncle will fill the onion in the sacks. This is the elish used to cut the leaves of the onions. Now next step is harvesting. Harvesting means cutting off the ripe crop from the field. फसल काटना और इकट्ठी करना. we saw that onion seeds were sown in July. So every crop is sown at different times. Some are summer crops, some are winter crops. Summer crops, they are called Kharif crops, and winter crops are called Rabi crops. Kharif crops, they are grown in June and harvested in October. And Rabi crops, they are generally grown in November and harvested in April. Example, wheat. These are example of Kharif crops. Rice, soybean, corn, sugarcane, groundnut and cotton. So these are Kharif crops. This is the example of Rabi crops, wheat. And next is chickpea, almond, mustard and broccoli. And oat. Now some question for you. You have seen this picture. Now you tell me what is name of this agriculture instrument in this chapter. This is kurij, and in your area generally it is called kudal in North India, and it is used for plowing. This is khunti. In this chapter name is khunti, and the name in your area it's also we call it khunti, and its work is to loosen the soil. This is ilich, and it is in your area it is called sickle, and its work is cutting vegetables. Student, these are different activities which are performed in growing the crops, and you have to put them in correct order, mark them in correct order. See it. Thank you students. Stay safe. Do the assignments related to this video.